Hey, welcome back. A couple of days ago, I did a first look at Oreon Lime R2, and today I'm going to take a look at it again, but this time I'm going to take a look at the business version, because it comes out in two versions. So you have the standard release and the business. So today I downloaded the business ISO, and I got it up in a virtual machine. So let's head over there and take a look at Oreon Lime R2, the business edition. And here we are on the virtual machine now, and I have the welcome to Orion screen that opened up, and you have a try Orion and install the hard drive. So I'm going to select install to hard drive, and it should open up the Anaconda installer. All right, there you go. Anaconda installer has opened up, and our English language has been selected, English United States. I'll click on continue. And now I have to fix all these that have warnings on them. So the installation destination, the root password, and user creation. And I also have to come and fix the date and time. But let me start with installation destination. So I'll check that. It has to have a check mark, and it has to be outlined in blue. And then you click on done. All right, so that's fixed now. Now let's set up our root password and give it a strong and complicated password. Click on done twice. And let's set up our user. All right, that's it for the user. You know what? I got to go back and make the user administrator. And now let's fix the date and time. Set it to my local, which is America's Los Angeles. That's correct. And I'll click on done. And I saw a message right here that said you have no working NTP servers. It was there right before I clicked done, but not sure what that meant. But let me go to the network and host. It says please use the live desktop environments tool for customizing your network configuration. So right now I'll set the local host. So I'm just going to leave it on that. Alright, so looks like we got everything set up here. So let's go ahead and click on begin installation, and installation has started. So I'll go ahead and pause the video right now, and when we come back we'll take a look at Oreon Lime R2 Business Edition. Okay, the installation is completed, so let's go ahead and click on finish installation and take a look at Oreon Lime R2, the business edition. Okay, we're at the login screen, so click on my name, insert my super strong password, log in. All right, just the same as the standard version, we get the welcome screen as soon as you open it up. So we'll take a look at this again, and it's a standard Gnome welcome screen. Edit it for Oreon Lime R2. So click on start, get an overview, make apps your own, keep on top with workspaces, up down for the overview for touchpads and touch screens, left right for workspaces, same thing for touchpad or touch screens. And that's it. We hope that you enjoy Oreon Lime R2. And like I said before, this is the business edition. All right, and that was your welcome screen. So everything is pretty much the same as the last one. You got your panel on the bottom. You got your system tray on the right. You got your pinned applications right here on the left. And then you have your applications menu. So let's just take a look at here and see if there's anything different as far as the applications. So you have your layout, you have favorites, frequent apps, accessories, education, graphics, internet, office, sound and video, system tools, utilities, and other. All right, so while I got this open right here, let me just go into the settings and see if I can find anything that's different, or obviously different, but it looks pretty much the same. So this is your standard Gnome system settings here. And we can take a look at the about, get our basic information on Oreon Lime R2. So you get your device name and your hardware, memory, processor, graphics, disk capacity. You get the OS name, OS type, the Gnome version, window and system, virtualization, software updates. Get a little bit of everything right here. So on this version, I think I am going to do the software updates just so we can take a look at the system manager and the software manager and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and update it. Well, it says right here that it's up to date, but we should get an update that pops up shortly, and we can update the system properly. And then we I think on the last one we had problems with the repositories. So let's go ahead and do that now. Let's get set up with the updates. So while the updates are happening, I'll pause the video so you guys don't have to see all that, but then we'll come back after the system is updated. So I'll do that now. All right, it says right here that dependencies are resolved. So I'm hoping that fixed everything. So let's give it a try. I'll do a sudo dnf install htop. Well, I'll do htop first, see if that does anything. Oh, it says it's already installed, duh. All right, so htop is already installed. Let's take a look for NeoFetch. It's probably going to be installed also. Yeah, it is already installed. So let's do let's see, what is not installed? I think GIMP is already installed, if I remember correctly, but oh no, there it is, and it's installing GIMP. All right, so the package manager is working, which is DNF in this case, and it's working awesome. Great. This system looks good and it works good, so it's great. But since we know htop is installed now, let's go ahead and open it up, take a look at it, and this is htop. Just make it a little bit bigger. There you go. So you got your 1.3 gigs of memory and your load averages. They're all pretty much basic. So yeah, this is looking good. All right, go ahead and clear this out. And we could actually open up NeoFetch now. There you have it. OS is Oreon Lime. Desktop business, as you can see right here. The last time I looked at the standard release, but this time this is the business edition. And you can see you got the info right here on your kernel. It's using kernel 5.14.0. And the desktop environment is Gnome 40.10. And you got your themes, icons, terminal, CPU, GPU, and memory. All right. So like I said, this is a pretty good system. It looks clean, looks good, and everything's working. So we did just look at the terminal, which we saw it last time also. But let me just go ahead and do a about. And it is Gnome Terminal version 3.40.3. All right, go ahead and close that out. And then we saw the help last time also, so pretty much everything's the same right here on the help. So it's the standard Gnome help, so nothing's changed on here. And on the about, of course, all you get is the license info. All right, and then we have the software center. So we can browse software. So yeah, I think last time I couldn't find anything on here also, but let's take a look right here. Let's click under create, see what applications show up. So we got the editor's choice, we got other software. So let's say, I think these with the check mark are already installed, but if you wanted to do like a scan images with a scanner, you could download the application for it, and bam, it downloads, installs, and yep, there it is. It's done. It's pretty quick. And let me go back, and then you got photos right here, and it's the same as before. Just click on the install, it goes, searches for it, gets it, downloads it, and it's done. So let me open up photos, take a look at it. So it says no photos found. Of course, this is on a virtual machine. So, but if you had photos, you would navigate to your photos, open them up, and do your thing with them. But let's see if we have an about, and we do. About photos. Photos 40.0. Access, organize, and share your photos on Gnome. All right, and the other one that I downloaded was Xane. I've never used Xane, but yeah, scanning for devices. Of course, I don't have no scanners connected, so you know it's not gonna find anything. But if it did, it would open up your settings and allow you to scan your images. All right, and this is oh, what did I do? Did I close it down? Yes, I did. I was trying to get to the to this right here, to the hamburger menu. All right, and it is software 41.5. I'm not sure if it's the same one as the other version, but there it is, software 41.5. A nice way to manage the software on your system. All right, and you got files here, which we saw last time, and you got Firefox, so really no need to look at those again. And let's go in here, look at the all applications. Let's look at, let's see what's under utilities. We got calculator, characters, disk usage analyzer, disk, document viewer, fonts, help, image viewer, log, screenshot, system monitor, and terminal. And system tools, you can see you got HTOP right here. Virtual machine manager, and sound and video. We got Bracero, cheese, and videos. All right, it's pretty standard. But let me open up the web browser. Oh, you know what? I saw something right here. Oh, these are the things that I looked at. All right, never mind. Let me open up the web browser and let me go to Oreon operating system. All right. I'm not really seeing anywhere where it tells you if there is a difference. I guess maybe on the business one you could probably upgrade. Let's see where right here it says why use the switch. The Oreon Lime business plan brings a simple and easy to use operating system for business environments. It comes with all the important programs a business would need, such as Thunderbird Mail, LibreOffice tools, and web browsers such as Firefox. Oreon Lime has a privacy and security focused code base ensuring none of your data is collected by us. Unlike Windows, Oreon Business Plus can be used in schools, offices, and hospitals. Pretty much anything. Oreon Lime Business is soon to announce its full lifecycle date, specifically when R2 of the OS releases. The lifecycle for desktop standard is aimed to provide 10 years of support, which includes updates and bug fixes. Business Plus also aims to provide 10 years of support along with an optional 2+ year lifecycle extension to provide more time to upgrade older machines. All right, and then you get to step 1, download Etcher, so you can get Banana Etcher to use it to burn the ISO either to your disk or USB. Then step 2, get it set up and burn it, and after that you're good to go. All right, well, like I said, I've already looked at the Oreon Lime R2, and this is the business edition. But the one problem that I had on the last one was that I didn't update the repositories, so it didn't allow me to download any applications. And I wanted to show on here that all you have to do is just a sudo dnf update, and it fixes everything, and then you can download and do your thing. All right, so that's gonna do it for this video. And like I said, it looks pretty, it works beautifully, everything works out of the box. So yeah, I would highly recommend it. So if you want to check it out, I'll have the download links down in the video description. That way you can take a look at it, play with it, and do what you want. And you can see this has support for up to 10 years. So that's really something you don't see with a lot of systems nowadays. Everything's like at a 2 to 4 year turnaround rate, but this one's going for 10 years, sir. It's pretty good, not bad. All right, that's gonna do it for me on this one, and I'm out.